Hello, body fangs. Walk to the bush. Guys, have you ever woken up one morning and just decided all of a sudden you're going to klap toe en in between the bushes there? Or on the plaas over there? Wildsplaas. Wild farm. No, game farm. Ja, you walk for 40 days plus wat there. Die son droog jou uit. Jy lyk al soos 'n California raisin. Jou mond is so droog, you can lick the paint off a ceiling over there. And all you want is a slukkie ijskoue, skoon, vars water there. But you're running around like this. Now you know what your bloody animals feel like. Doesn't matter if they are wild dangerous animals there, of a koei, of a skapie, of a hoendertjie op die plaas. They run around looking for koue water and then they get to the watergat and it looks like this. Water, water. Sis. It's a bloody para inside there and it looks like a poof flight in it. You can't bloody drink this, you can get spite poop. Sis man. Nee man, pull yourself towards yourself there, okay? Look after your bloody animals the correct way and get yourself a Trogtech waterbak. So pull in to Nampo Botawil this year, 13 to 16 May in Botawil, and come to the Trogtech stand. Bloody amazing specials here. Get some quality for your animals, okay? Okay, see you at Nampo, 13 to 16 May, Botawil. Okay, thanks.